catch them. Okay, let's see if we can catch them. We can catch some bait.
Well, your bait's over here in your tackle box.
No, here's some bait. I caught fish!
You caught a fish? Let me see it. Is this what you caught?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at that fish.
No, I caught a fish right here.
Good job. You're like Daddy.
Daddy. Hey, I got them here.
Where's your worms? Are they in your tackle box?
Yeah. Here they are. Here they are, Mommy.
Let's see one. Show me one.
Here.
You got another one in there?
Yeah. Look it.
Nice worm.
Nice worms. Okay, you want to see them. Here. Mommy, we want to see the fish.
Yeah.
See?
Nice fish. What kind of fish is that? What kind of fish did you catch?
See, let's find this in the no fish up. No, catch another fish.
Did you catch one yet?
Right here.
Oh, what kind of fish is that?
Let's see.
Is that a bluegill or a bass? I can't tell.
Bluegill. Bass. A bass.
Oh, it's a bass?
Yeah.
You take it off the hook and throw it back? Nice.
Let's catch Mommy. I catch another one.
Oh, that looks like a shark.
Let's take him off. Take it off.
Okay, throw him back in the water.
Hey, let's just catch another bass.
Okay.
Let's see if we can catch another.
Is that the ocean over there?
Yeah.
Are you trolling in your boat?
Yeah. Where's my boat?
Pretend you're in a boat.
Where's my boat, Mommy? Do you see the boat?
You're standing in it. That's a really nice boat.
Can you come on the boat?
I'm on my own boat over here. It's like a fishing show. I'm in another boat filming you.
Come here. Let's see if I can catch a fish.
Oh, what kind of fish is that?
Take off
You want me to take it off?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to throw it back. Ready? Say bye to it.
Bye, fishy Mom. Okay, let's see if we can catch another one. Oh, I can't catch another one.
Oh, wow, that's a big one. I think we're going to keep this one to eat. I'm going to put it in the cooler.
I catch another one. Take it off the hook. That's another one.
All right, I'm going to let this little one go back.
Let's see if I can catch another one.
Okay, one more fish.
Oh, I catch it. I catch
Put some more bait on your hook.
My hook. My hook. Okay. Uh-oh. There's my hook.
Just pretend, and then you can put it back in your tackle box.
No. No, let me put them in the tackle box. Tackle box. Tackle box. Can I fish in one? Fish in no. Fish in no. That's the button. So you can press the button, Mommy.
Yeah, reel it in. Let's see it. Let's see it.
Take out the hook. It's a big one.
Okay. Here, you want to throw it back in the ocean? Nice.